Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sanfah and topic of my presentation is how to organize data in our catalog for purpose of building geodatabase files or geodatabases. Before we begin any step, we must find and organize our data, which we will find to perform any task. This can be done using the catalog window or catalog application. In order to connect to the data we have to first open our catalog and access data to folder or database connection. Database connections are used to access data. Mostly tutorial use file geodatabases, but it also includes personal geodatabases, shape files and coverages. When we look in a folder connection, we can quickly see the folders and data sources it contains. We can begin organizing our data by creating a folder connection in our catalog. We have to follow these steps to organize our data. We first open our catalog, then we have to navigate to the folder connection. A folder connection dialog box would be open. Here we have to mention the location where our data is placed, like this. You can see our folder connection generated here. We can also explore the datasets geodatabase contain. In order to explore those datasets, we have to check the plus sign next to the file geodatabase, like this. We expand it and we come to know that it contains a feature dataset. If we further expand it, it contains further datasets which included layers, literals or honors data info. This is how we can organize our data, and we can connect it to our catalog through a folder connection. After doing this, we can perform further tasks to the our data for building geodatabase. Now it's all from my side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.